This Can-Am air intake system is designed to increase power and acceleration by reducing restriction in the intake path. Can-Am 69-2023 TS air intake fits 2011, 2012, and 2013 Mini Cooper S models with a 1.6-liter engine. The 69-2023 TS air intake is not legal for sale or highway use in California or other states adopting California emission standards. Check canfilters.com for an up-to-date list of all models this air intake fits and for a list of other CARB adoption states. Can-Am power testing showed an estimated power gain of 8.5 horsepower at 5,200 RPM with the 69-2023 TS air intake installed on a 2012 Mini Cooper S with a 1.6-liter engine. Actual results will vary depending on the condition of the vehicle, mileage, weather, and other variables. With the air intake installed, we ran the vehicle on the dyno to test the sound comparison versus the stock intake. The intake system includes components that have been designed or matched to the needs of these vehicles to produce a safe horsepower increase. Detailed installation instructions are included with this kit. The tools needed for this install are shown. Turn off the ignition and disconnect the negative battery cable. Disconnect the mass air sensor electrical connection and unhook the vent line from the airbox. Loosen the hose clamp which secures the intake tube to the mass air sensor. Loosen the 3 screws securing the upper airbox housing to the lower housing. Remove the upper airbox housing and air filter from the vehicle. Remove the 2 screws securing the mass air sensor to the upper airbox housing. Then remove the sensor. Remove the factory O-ring from the mass air sensor. Install the mass air sensor into the Can-Am heat shield using the provided hardware. Install the Can-Am air filter onto the mass air sensor inside the heat shield and secure it with the provided hose clamp. Install the silicone hose onto the mass air sensor and secure it with the provided hose clamp. Remove 2 of the upper airbox mounting bolts. Install the Can-Am heat shield assembly onto the factory lower airbox and secure it with the factory bolts. Install the Can-Am intake tube into the factory intake hose. Then into the silicone hose at the mass air sensor. Then secure it with the hose clamps. Reconnect the mass air sensor electrical connection. Reconnect the vehicle's negative battery cable. Double check to make sure everything is tight and properly positioned before starting the vehicle. It will be necessary for all Can-Am high-flow air intake systems to be checked periodically for realignment, clearance, and tightening of all connections. Failure to follow the above instructions or proper maintenance may void warranty. Can-Am makes products for nearly every vehicle on the road. The Can-Am website allows you to search products by vehicle or dimension, download installation instructions, view dyno charts showing estimated horsepower gains for this product, and view product details. For information on where to buy Can-Am products, go to canfilters.com.